So I just want to give you guys a description of what I'm doing here while I'm installing this Flatz turn signal. So the Flatz turn signal comes with, of course, a ground and a hot, right? And off the lollipops that came stock with the bike, these were the signals right here that I actually I cut these off the turn signals. That's how it looks from the lollipops. We're just gonna get that back in there. Right, so it's this one, that's this one. You have a black that comes with 2 wires, one black wire and a black one with white wire, or a black wire with a white line. And then you have a green wire, which is most likely your hot, right? And this is your load resistor. You want to connect your load resistor to a hot wire on the turn signal itself. The hot is pretty much the red one, right? And the white wire on the other side of the load resistor, you want to connect that to the black wire coming out of, which is this one. You want to connect that to the all black wire from the wire harness, this one right here. So the white wire connects to the black wire. And then the red wire, this one coming out of the load resistor, goes into the green one. And then the black wire that connects to the black and white wire that's on the wire harness, and also the black wire coming out of the Flatz turn signal itself. So you're gonna have 3 wires that's connected here. And that should give you the daytime running lights and also the signal light. Alright, I'll connect everything and show you guys how it looks after I'm done. That's going to be in another video.